Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You already have your sequence open and an adjustment layer placed. Start by selecting that adjustment layer clip in the timeline so Premiere knows which layer you'll affect. Once selected, open the Effect Controls panel if it isn't visible. This panel shows the layer settings and any applied effects. Make sure the program monitor is active so visual feedback updates live. From here, you're ready to add or reveal the color label control tied to that clip. Right-click the adjustment layer clip in the timeline to open the context menu. This is faster than digging through menus. Choose Label and then pick the color swatch you want. Premiere applies that color to the clip header and timeline bar. This is a visual label only. It won't affect effects or render. If you want consistent organization, use the same color for related adjustment layers. Once done, the timeline will reflect your new color instantly. To finalize, make sure you can actually see the new label. Adjust track height or open timeline view options and enable clip label color. If the color didn't change, try deselecting and reselecting the clip, then restart Premiere. Occasional UI caching can block updates. If problems persist, relink the project or clear the media cache. Finally, keep a simple color scheme and descriptive clip names so you can quickly select and manage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.